Good morning, friends. Hope all of you are doing well. Wish you all the best. Today, we may discuss something about the key man insurance policy. First of all, we must know who is the key man in business. I may clarify that anybody having specific skill or whose death can lead to a great loss to the company or the enterprise is known as key man. So, key man can be a director of a company, sales head of a company, technical head of a company, or any other person who is having a technical skill and on which skill the enterprise is flourishing. Now, the company can get the insurance of key man done through any insurance agency. Company can pay premium on that insurance policy of that key man. Premium paid by the company or the enterprise shall be allowed as expense under section 37 subsection 1 of the Income Tax Act, but mind it and note it, any amount received on maturity of the key man insurance policy by the company or the enterprise is not at all exempt under section 10 subsection 10D of the Income Tax Act. And in case the insurance policy is assigned to the employee, in that case, I mean to say, if the insurance policy is assigned to that key man, in that case, premium paid by the company shall be allowed as expense to the company, but it shall become a perquisite to be added in the income of that key man on year-to-year basis once it is assigned to the key man. In that case, the maturity amount will be received by the key man, and in that case, that amount shall not be taxable in his hand because he has already paid tax on the premium being paid by the company on his behalf. Still, if you have some query, you are most welcome to talk to me.